government of Somalia, East Africa, has severed diplomatic relations with Britain. So at Mogadishu, our embassy staff had to say goodbye to the country in which they'd been very happy. In some quarters, the decision was a surprise, and hurried packing was the order of the day. Of course, they all knew that Somalia claims territory in neighboring Kenya, known as the North Frontier District. But the British Colonial Secretary had ruled that the district is rightly a part of Kenya. So native employees of the embassy were paid off, while the rest of the staff made tracks for the airport. One of them said the departure made diplomatic history because there was no bad feeling on either side. Nairobi, Kenya, was the first stop on the way home. All hoped for a speedy return of friendship between Britain and Somalia.